Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought of doing something different. I have never done this sort of video before and it's gonna be unboxing of PR packages, and also recently again I shopped from Nykaa. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul as well and just show you guys everything. Some of the packages are open but most of them are not. So I am just gonna take you through all of it, and also if I feel like I should give a mini review of any of these, then I'll do that as well. So I really hope that you enjoy this video and let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on social media as well. And yeah, let's get started. As you can tell that I am literally sitting on the floor right now and it seems really dirty. There's a lot of like renovation stuff happening in my house, and this is the only room which is untouched at the moment. So literally there is so much of stuff around and it's just so dusty and dirty and there's nothing you can do about it. Like, how many times are you going to clean in the day anyway? So yeah, that's what I thought, that I'll just sit down and like shoot like a casual video wherein I can take you through everything. And I'm personally really pumped for it because some packages I haven't opened and I'm so excited to see them. And yeah, let's just jump into the video. So first up we have this package. Almost all of them are from Nykaa for obvious reasons. So this one I personally purchased. So this is the new Laneige Glowy makeup serum and it looks like this. I've opened it already and this is the packaging. I really love how the design of this is and it looks really cute. And when it said Glowy makeup serum base, it was calling my name, because you guys know I love to just look luminous and glowy in general, even though I have combination skin. I'm obviously gonna list everything in the description box below so you can check it out for yourselves. But yeah, this is how that one looks like. And then I also got this as a sample with it, which I was so excited to try out because I've heard again great things about this. And this is the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. This is like a toner, but it has like a really nice texture, just hydrates your skin. It's not exfoliating in any way, which is really good because recently I feel like I've been exfoliating my skin too much and that's something that we should not do. So this is a sample and I feel like you get a lot of product in it as well. So excited to put this to test. Next up is something that I received in PR and this is by the brand Blur. It's a new brand and this is how the packaging of that looks like. And they reached out to me and they asked if I would like to try out their products, and I was obviously excited to use them. So this is what they sent me, and I really like it when brands, they reach out to you and they ask for honest opinion and review rather than saying, oh yes please just promote it and this is what you're supposed to say and all of that. I don't work with brands that do that, because it is very restrictive in terms of content creation and also it's not completely honest as well. So this is what they sent, which is I Tend to Lash Out. So it's like a really fun brand and this is their mascara. So it has this sort of packaging, really minimalistic. Then they also sent me this lip color in the shade, what is the shade? Wait, let me just open it and check it out. So this is how that one looks like. It's in the shade I'm Sorry, Are You Vodka? And this is how it looks like. I love just pinky nude shades in general, and this is like a color that you can wear on your lips, your eyes, your cheeks as well. So this is how it looks like. Then this next package is something that I haven't opened yet, so I have no clue what's inside because I order so many things constantly. So this is what I had ordered, and this is the K-Beauty eyeshadow stick, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with the eyeshadow sticks, the matte ones as well as the metallic ones. And this one is in the shade Amethyst, and I've actually learned a trick to open them, because I don't know if you know, but all of the swatches that you see on K-Beauty's page when it comes to the lip crayons, the first launches, which was the lip crayons, lip liners, eyeshadow sticks, everything was swatched by me on hand. And there was a time when I feel like I just became an swatching pro, but yeah. So this is what the shade looks like. It's so stunning, and the formula on these is really great and they do not budge whatsoever. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. Then we have this, which is by Faces, and this is their liquid lipstick. It's a new launch and this is in the shade Filter Freak. This is how the packaging on that looks like. It's nice, it's different, and this shade obviously has to be the same sort of shades which I love. And this is the swatch of it. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I am so excited by this shade. It's such a stunning rosy pinky nude color with obviously a lot of brown tone in it. It's stunning, and look at that pigment, it's insane. You should definitely check out this shade. I feel like it's going to be flattering on so many skin tones. You can see in natural light as well. The next package is something that I was sent, and this is by Nykaa again, and I'm so happy that they actually reached out to me with respect to this particular brand, because I am obsessed with it. And this is Huda Beauty, and this is the loose powder that they have sent me, and this is in the shade Sugar Cookie. So it's a white translucent powder. So excited to put this to use. And I also got sent these two Demi matte liquid lipsticks, I think lip creams. So this is Mogul and this is Boy Collector. I've actually done a swatch of both of these on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out, because you'll see a lot of lip swatches on my page. I'm obsessed with lip products and you guys know that. So yeah, next is stuff that I ordered, and I was just on a shopping spree. I just wanted to try out these new products. So this is by Bobbi Brown, and I was really excited to give this a go. This is the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Moisture Balm, and this is in the shade Bare Glow. I've always wanted to try this product out, but the bigger size in this is super duper expensive. Even this is, but I wanted to give the smaller one a go. And this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like strobe cream, but this is more moisturizing and hydrating. And this is how it looks like. This is the shade, and look at that. And with that, I got this Bobbi Brown mascara free. I love these mini mascaras. I think I like to just hold on them now. And they also sent me this. So as you guys know that they've launched a mini version of their foundation, which I also purchased. So let me show you that. So this is how it looks like. Like everyone was raving about it, so obviously I had to try it out. This is their Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15, and this is the swatch of it. It feels really nice. Maybe on top of this glowy product, just look at the combination of two. My god, it's beautiful. This is the juicy skin which I love having. Then I also got my hands on this, which is Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, and this one is in the shade Tangerine Dream. I know that a lot of people are like, it doesn't do anything, it's just a really hyped product, but I still wanted to try it out for myself. And this is how the shade looks like. I felt like Tangerine Dream is a shade that will suit my skin because it's more on the peachier side as compared to pink. Then I also got sent this, and this is by Dermalogica, and I have heard again such great things about this brand. It's a skincare brand and it's a luxury skincare brand. They've sent me these samples to try out. So this is their vitamin C serum, then we have their cleanser, then we have their daily micro foliant, which is supposed to be a really popular product, and then we also have a skin smoothing cream. So yeah, this is all they sent me and I'm excited to try it out. Then I also have another box which I haven't opened. So by mistake I ordered another of these Faces liquid lipsticks. I don't know why. And this is the same shade that I swatched earlier, which is called as Filter Freak. And I feel like I should do a giveaway with it, because what am I going to do with two of the same liquid lipstick shades? So this is like an impromptu giveaway. What you can do is just subscribe to my channel and comment below, mentioning your favorite lip product, maybe favorite liquid lipstick, and like this video, and maybe I'll just pick a winner randomly and send you guys one of these. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this casual haul video. It was so much fun filming and just talking to you guys after a really long time. And let me know if you want to see a review on any of these. I'll probably be reviewing it on my Instagram anyway, because I try to create as much content as possible. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Love you.